Hi guys, I hope that you guys will be great. My name is Malika. I'm a member of Comic Academy. Welcome to the Center of Animation Compositors. In this center, our team has tried to produce everything you guys need in order to make a commercial teaser or like advertising or websites or shopping or story animations. This collection has been designed so that you guys can perform your creative ideas without any limitations. And that way, you can reach your ideal result. We have designed this so after watching it, you'll be able to earn money, individual or by accepting programs. You don't have to worry if it's your first time using this app. You can take your first step right next to us, strong and confident. Be there for us, and we'll be there for you.